We're looking at 12 plus acres in New Hampshire, with a stream behind the house, direct rail trail access, and a property design built for flexible living. From the moment you arrive, the setting immediately feels different. This isn't just a house sitting on land, it's a property where water, forest, and recreation all connect in one continuous experience. The stream behind the home becomes a constant natural feature, adding sound, movement, and a sense of privacy that follows you throughout the property. The land itself offers 12.44 plus acres of usable space, with a mix of wooded areas and open sections that give you both privacy and function. It's the kind of acreage that can support gardening, outdoor sitting areas, light homesteading, or simply remain untouched as a private natural buffer around the home. One of the strongest lifestyle features here is direct access to the Cheshire Rail Trail. Instead of loading up a vehicle and driving to recreation, you step outside and you're already connected. Walking, biking, and long-distance trail access all begin right from the edge of the property, turning everyday outdoor activity into something immediate and convenient. The home itself is designed for flexibility. It is currently set up as a 2-family residence, which opens multiple possibilities depending on how you want to use it. You can maintain it as a rental setup for income, use it for multi-generational living, or convert it back into a single-family layout. That adaptability adds long-term value and keeps options open as needs change. Inside, the layout is focused on natural light and livability. Large windows bring the outside in, keeping the stream and wooded surroundings visible throughout the day. The living spaces feel connected rather than separated, creating a practical flow between rooms that works for both daily living and hosting. The property also supports a strong connection to nature through established